I want to go over exporting documents out of Worldox. Now, this is not a service that our firm provides, okay? But the reason I want to show you is when we are doing your migration from Worldox to NetDocs, there's files that we'll recommend that we don't bring over. And that's usually PST files, zip files, and video files. Usually we'll store those in OneDrive, and then we can link them back to NetDocs, and a link in the blog post, I'll explain how to do it. So in Worldox, we'll do a search for all zip files, okay? We'll also, let's say on the C drive of the computer I'm gonna create a folder or something like this called E. Just one letter folder, just to shorten the folder path name. So I do a search for all these zip files, and then I'm gonna select these. I'm not gonna select all 1,667, although that would be the purpose. I'll just select 5, right click, send to, and then I'm going to do Windows folder description, and then we'll hit continue. All right. And then if we come over here and look now, see we've dumped those all out. Now the other option, and again, I give you both options in the blog post, is to right click here, send to Windows folder codes, and this will just do the codes, so the client ID, the matter ID. The reason you might want to do that is because of folder path issues. But again, so you'll see those there. That's the codes. But this is a really, really easy way, and we explain in the blog post on how to create those actual codes so you can send stuff out into a Windows directory.